Hello guys and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to redeem vouchers, whether you receive them directly or through a voucher code. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Binance. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once it's updated, open the Binance app and tap on the three white lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Search and type Reward Hub, or you can simply find and open it from the menu. After that, tap on My Vouchers to see and redeem your available vouchers. If you have a voucher code, just tap on Voucher Code, enter the code, and redeem it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until next time, see you soon.